Suchita. Thanks for talking to GCC Pulse.
Thank you. And many congratulations on establishing GCC Pulse, because I think that's what we need, a neutral voice talking about what's happening, in this space. So thanks, Sushil, for doing that.
I want to ask you about the macro trends that are shaping the next stage of growth for GCCs in India and elsewhere.
Okay, so thanks for this question, because it's a very evolving space. So honestly, I've seen a huge shift. As Gateway, we are new entrants in the market. We've seen this huge opportunity come up. And the macro trend I'd like to focus more on is the fact that we're moving from the large scale, big setup GCCs to something that's smaller. I'd say the focus is on mid size or mid market GCCs, nano GCCs that are showing a lot of value based work that's being done, and not just focused on how many hires that are there. So the big trend that is the value created by these GCCs to be able to show good work or innovative work to their global counterparts. That's the big trend I see. Use of innovation. We're all talking about innovation today. But how do we do that, especially from the mid market and nano GCC space? Setting up quickly and scaling faster, and being able to do work that some of the GCCs that have been here around for 20 years have taken time to come to that stage. Some of the companies coming, especially startups that are fully funded, coming from the US, are doing that miraculously in India.